In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify Stripe account. 5 minutes. Let's get you verified quickly and confidently so you can start accepting payments. First, open your browser and go to stripe.com. On the homepage, look for the sign in option and click it. That takes you to the login page. Enter your email and password, then sign in. If you're prompted for a verification code, just follow the on-screen instructions to complete that step. Once you're in the dashboard, head to the home area. This is your command center, and it's where Stripe surfaces what still needs attention. In the top right corner, find the Setup Guide. Click that to see the remaining tasks needed for verification and payouts. From the Setup Guide, choose the option to complete your profile. This is where most of the verification work happens. Stripe will ask for details about you and your business, such as your legal name, business name or type, your industry, and a brief description of what you sell or the services you offer. Provide accurate, consistent information that matches your official records. If you have a website, include a working URL that clearly shows what you do. You'll also be asked for bank account details so Stripe knows where to send your payouts. Double check routing and account numbers and make sure the account holder name matches what you provide elsewhere in the form. If you operate a company, you may need to share information about owners or directors. Keep everything precise to avoid delays. When you've filled everything out, select Review and Finish. Take a moment here to scan for typos, mismatched names, or outdated addresses. Small corrections now can save time later. Next, click Agree and Submit. This sends your information to Stripe for review. At this stage, you might receive an email asking for more details. That's normal and simply means Stripe needs additional documentation to confirm your identity or your business. Common requests include clear photos or scans of government-issued IDs, proof of address, or business registration documents. Make sure documents are unexpired, all four corners are visible, and the names and addresses match what you entered. Upload them through the secure link Stripe provides and reply promptly to keep things moving. After submission, keep an eye on your email and your Stripe dashboard for status updates. Verification can complete quickly, but timing may vary based on your location and documents. Once approved, you're all set to process payments and receive payouts. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your Stripe setup.